Hello there, there's a last video for Implastation. In this video I will show you how to generate the surgical guide, how to make the protocol, and that's it. Okay, so we have ready case for this. We have implant, we have sleeve, we have STL file, everything already done. Okay, so now we proceed to surgical guide tray and push the create surgical guide button. Okay, so we have two implants up here. We just need to mark the borders of the future surgical guide. Let's do it like this. So I recommend to catch at least maybe 3-4 teeth around the implant. In this case we do a full guide, so yeah, so let's say it looks like this. If we are not happy if we wanna move some points, we can push this button and move these points. Okay, don't pay attention about these parameters. They by default works good in most of the cases. Maybe if you wanna play around with offset, go for it. But I think it's some like 0.2 is it's a good parameter for this. Okay, so now we need to understand which path of insertion will be. So depends on how we look at the surgical guide at the model at the moment. It will be the path of insertion will be in the same way, works in the same way. So we push general guide button. Wait some time. Okay, so now we can see the surgical guide. It looks pretty well. And what I recommend to do, except this one, but you can. I don't want to waste your time. Just you can make the design again. But I will leave it like this at the moment. So to make the windows, just to understand and control how surgical guide will sit in the mouse, I'll create about 4 windows, 2 each side. And actually I will not do here because we can see here how does it sit. Okay, so if we're happy with this, we push OK button, we press OK from this stage. So the software will become you should pay for this, because to create the surgical guide you need some top up some cases. We push yes. Okay, so now we can see the surgical guide in our project. To avoid any problems, some errors, I will save project just in case. Yep. So as soon as surgical guide is ready, you are able to export it. So there is export button here, export to STL. Just put some name, yeah, and push the save button. That's it. And last thing what I recommend to do is to make the protocol. So it works like this. There is an image of surgical guide, sleeves, and at the moment we can see there are 2 pages, but if you wanna make some additional information, you just can choose this one, and you will see now the slices. So it's like additional information for surgeon how it should be to compare with the shots while he's doing doing implants. He can control and to check with these shots how it looks. Okay, and we can actually see here which implant is using and what's the length of the drill, what's the drill diameter, and so on. Okay, and if you want to print it, you can print it straight away. You can choose this printer, your printer, or if you want to save it as PDF file, you just choose this one, Microsoft Print to PDF, and choose print, and you can save it as PDF file. Okay, that's it. This end of our tutorial videos. Thank you for your attention. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I will happy to answer you. You can see my email near to the window. Thank you. See ya.